1975 Ford Bronco, front brake, disc conversion. We got a whole bunch of parts. Let's talk about it. So welcome into the channel. I got my 1975 Ford Bronco that I'm slowly restoring. We got a bunch of parts in today for the brakes. I got a whole disc brake conversion kit from Tom's Offroad. We're going to be taking a look at that today. We got 4 boxes total. We're going to open them up, kind of do an unboxing, and we're going to show you all the parts. And then in the next upcoming videos, we're going to be installing them. So we're going to overview all the parts today, take a good look at the kit. Looks pretty nice so far, pretty sweet. So we're going to start opening some boxes and going over what parts come in this kit. All right, so here are all my parts that came in our first box. So what we have in the first box we received is I have the front brake backing plates, in which is what also you will mount your calipers to. I got an unknown metal bracket that I'm unsure of what it is for quite just yet. Got a singular brake hose. Don't know where this one will go yet. Haven't opened up all the boxes. I'm hoping we have some good instructions in here somewhere. We got our proportioning valve for front back brake proportions. A singular boot. Not sure where this goes yet either. I'm assuming something to do with the master cylinder or with the brakes, but Tom's Offroad. Power brake accessory kit. So this has all our hardware in it to hook the master cylinder up to the brake pedal, and our hose to hook it up to vacuum. And then I have these 2 hoses, in which I haven't opened out of the bag yet. I'm assuming these are our hoses that come off of our master cylinder. So this is everything we had in the first kit. This is the only box I've opened up so far. Kind of excited whenever I got them in, so I went ahead and opened one up. But this is everything that's in the first box. So now we'll go over what else we have in the second box. So I got my second box opened up. It includes pretty much everything I'm going to need to convert the rear drums to the disc. So we have the rear brake caliper, which came with the caliper in the box, both pads, the banjo bolts and stuff for the lines, and the hose, and this bracket. We got a whole bunch of these little metal brackets all wrapped up in plastic. So got 2 of these U brackets, whatever these are, as well as 4 of these kind of spacers, along with these 2 brackets here. Of course, you got all your hardware mismatched in a bag, and then the rear brake discs. I opted for the drilled and slotted that they offer. There's no real price difference in between the slotted and the non-slotted, so I went ahead and got the drilled and slotted. Figured it'd be kind of cool. Don't think I'm ever really going to need that though, considering it's just a Bronco, not a race car. Probably not a lot of perks to having the drilled and slotted, but looks cool. Do have a little instruction booklet. And then I forgot to mention these in the first box, where we have our front axle seals. These are a little hard to determine which kind you need. There's 2 options for the, I think it's a Dana 30, 33, Dana 40, something like that axle in the front of this. And they have an option for slinger and non-slinger. Mine ended up being non-slinger axles, but I'll post a picture, put a picture on the screen to where you can see whether you have, the smooth axle or the axle with the slinger flange on it, and that'll determine if you need the non-slinger or the slinger seals. So this is majority of everything, I believe, for the rear brake kit. I do have 2 rotors. One is still in the box down there. But yes, this is what we have for the rear. We're going to open up the next box and see what we got. So our next part that came in a huge box with a ton of wrapping in it, it took forever to get out of the box, is our brake booster with the master cylinder. So we're going to upgrade this to vacuum brakes, vacuum power brakes. We don't have any power brakes on it now. Overall, looks like a really good kit, or a really good unit. Of course, vacuum line hooks here. This is what we got next. And we got 1 box left, so let's get it open. So here's my final box. This has our brake caliper in it for the front. It has 2 of them included in the kit with pads. Of course, another hose, another banjo bolt. Came with new front spindles along with some spacers. I dropped that one. And then front axle seals. So these are the one that I was talking about, slinger or non-slinger. I guess the other seals that I was given, those were the rear. So same picture will apply. I'll throw the picture up here, and that's how you determine what seal you need. And of course, we have our new front brake rotors drilled and slotted, and it includes the hub for the locker already on it, made into it just like the old drum. So if you haven't seen my video of pulling the front drums off and you want to see that, it's linked on the channel. I got a video on it of getting the front seized drums off where they were seized up. So that's kind of our quick overview on this kit. I don't have any front wheel bearings, which I thought the kit was supposed to come with, so I'm going to have to double check on that. Yeah, but that about sums up the off-road brake kit. So if you enjoyed, like and subscribe, and stay tuned. We're going to be installing these front brakes first. So stay tuned. We'll have a video on that soon. Thanks for watching.